Good afternoon, it's your girl Shiana, and I'm back with the tutorial. Today we're going to tap into creating faceless content for with Twitter and Canva or Facebook, either or. Today I am going to give y'all a little walkthrough. I want to share my screen here. I'll go to desktop. I can't remember if I'm signed into my Twitter account from here. We're about to check. No, that's not what I want. Give me 1 second, y'all. Okay, I'm back. Let me retry this again. Rather than go to this. I think it's on. Okay, now I got the information. I still forgot about it. Okay, let me stop sharing so I can enter this stuff real quick. Give me a few seconds. Not right there. Then why you ain't just pop up the first time, boo? Twitter it. Okay, so this is how I do mine for my Twitter. Okay, so my Twitter is a little vulgar, so it's gonna be a lot of content that don't need to be seen eyes. But let's go ahead and tap into what we're looking for. So I'm gonna go to my page. No, I want you to go to my profile, love. I've never done this for my computer that long. So give me a minute. Right now I'm at 9 followers. I created it August, but I just started posting back on it. And I changed the niche of it. Now I know I'm not. I think my views is really good on this page. So basically I just make direct post. Well, I said direct post, but I publish posts on here, captions for healing her and basically for that girl aesthetics. So you'll screenshot this right here. This is a fast-paced tutorial real quick. I'm gonna tell y'all about it a little deeper though. So we're gonna screenshot it. I don't know why I did it like that. Cancel. Click on it. Then we're gonna screenshot it. I'm gonna take that pen out and then capture. So I'm gonna go down there to the bottom. I'm gonna make sure it goes to my pictures so I can get it. Now I'm gonna go to Canva. I already got some images on my Canva, so I ain't even worried about that part. I'm gonna go here because I like the sizing of it. But I'm gonna add a new page. I'm gonna go to my uploads. And then I'm gonna upload that picture I just got to my photos. Boom, and then I'm gonna add it on there. And that's basically how you create your own faceless content, aesthetics, aesthetics for with Twitter and Canva. And that was all for today. Continue to follow, like, and subscribe for the rest. Thank you very much.